So yeah, dipange ku review ya this sound card, the XNG live streaming sound card imene imapanga support ma devices osiyana-siyana, kandi ma PC, iOS, ma Android phones imagwira ndithu. So tuone kuti what's inside this box. So yeah, in this box, inside the box we have the user manual. We always keep that on a safe place. The microphone and the GT20. In this scale on D2, it's quite heavy. So tukupezamo the sound card itself. Then we have the microphone holder. This is the mic holder. Yeah, and tuone serigo. Okay, so these are the things that we get. We have a remote control. We have earphones. They're about 3.5 meters long. Have an extra mic holder, and in here we have my USBs and stereo XLR and stereo connectors like to jack. Cable, we have a microphone cable, that's XLR to stereo jack. Okay, we have this. Yeah, it's a microphone stand. What else do we have in here? All the papers. Okay, we have a phone holder. So yeah, those are the things. And what else do we have? It's just the silver. Yeah, so that's what we have. Yeah, so these are the complete items zomwe zikuyenera zipezeke mkati mwa sound card kamene tikhale tikugawana kuti kodi tingakagwiritse ntchito motani pa in our music journey komanso zosiyana-siyana. So ndikhala ndikupanga share komano focus yathu kwambiri we are focusing on this sound card. So yeah, sound card ili ndi zipangizo zosiyana-siyana, ili ndi ma features zosiyana-siyana. Mostly kanthu kakamagwiritsa ntchito for creating my podcasts, kupanga stream live. If you want to go live, maka audio yanu mufune vile online ka Facebook and pa YouTube and pa yani. So kumbuyo we have this power button, and for your own information, this sound card also it has internal battery, so you can just charge it. So in this case, if I just turn it on, it's on without even connecting it to power, but you can see it's already on. Okay, yeah, so in the internal power, also in the Bluetooth connection, you can connect this into Jina. Yeah, so that's that. That's the power button. That's the power button. And then we have it accepts my applications to stream, not to record my devices so it's either because I got one two or both, so imajambula. And then tilindi playback music kaika zote kujogera mufoni ina imabwera whenever. And then here mongo charger, and then umunga connect USB kupitisa ku computer, and this works as a sound card for that PC. You can use it as a sound card because the computer will be able to control this will be able to be controlled over it. And then we have my earphones 1 and 2, also for the headsets jack. So say on my stereo headsets, this on the mic stereo was in the stereo. It's either because of XNG or we can use the other. And then the guitar. So that's the guitar jack, and pamwamba bati ndima buttons osiyana. This is a guitar volume, guitar reverb, and then music fader, music volume, recording. And this is the main output recording, the level when I first streaming. That's the level of the streamed audio. And this knob control 1 BD reverb. It's a reverb control knob. So this is a mic volume, and then this is monitor mostly is headphone. So it's a headphone monitor or anything you use to monitor the sounds. So these are the effects kupanga apply ku the mic level lower titapanga control using my voices my effects kumaso ndima sound effects and then so that's the general overview. And then next episode I'm going to show you tinga chilumig is the modern, how can we connect it, and then how can we record it. Subscribe to the channel, share or comment.